Today's little project is using the Domino DF500, which is the small domino machine. I've got some slats which I've just cut to an arbitrary length. I'm going to domino them together and make a door. Right, we've got the 8mm cutter in here at the moment, and I want to do some 6mm dominoes. So on the side here at the top there's a latch. Just put your spanner inside there, which then lets you clip the whole unit apart. And then on the side there's a button here to lock the spindle. Unscrew the 8mm cutter, screw on the new 6mm cutter, push the button in and just nip it up. You don't have to do it hard. And then line the socket up and then push it back together again. And that's all there is to changing a blade. We're going to be using 6x40s, so I need to set the depth to 20 and I need to set the height. So the thickness of this board is 20mm. Right, so I've got all my pieces, got my dominoes, got my glue board. It's going to be a case of just glue up the dominoes, put them in the holes and tap it all together. I'm doing this on a tight fit on all of them, and I haven't done a dry fit. I might live to regret that, but I'm going to give it a try. These are another thing I love, the glue box. I think they're absolutely fantastic. Alright, moment of truth. Does it fit? Lovely, first one fitted. Right, we're in for the next day on the door, and either you shouldn't do things last thing at night to try and rush a glue job, or you should check what you're doing. Some of you might have noticed that this clip here was up, which actually adjusts the height. So as I was putting it in, I was pressing down on it, but it wasn't perfectly aligning the boards because I hadn't actually locked the fence in place. Lock the fence in place, then it would have been perfect. So I've got slight ridges mainly on that one and this one, so I've just got to take the belt sander to it. So the moral of the story is either don't do it last thing at night when you're tired, or double check that all your latches are down. And then this is the finished door. Which then goes into the electrical cupboard. And I have all the displays on it.